Привіт-привіт, my dear Ukrainian language lovers. Мене звати Інна. My name is Інна. Вітаю вас на каналі Speak Ukrainian. Welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. In today's video lesson, I'm going to teach you transport vocabulary in the Ukrainian language. But before we start, you know that you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and leave your comments. To it, thank you so much. I appreciate your support. Ну що, почнімо. Let's get started. Guys, I know that I haven't recorded a new video lesson for a while. As you know, I've been teaching Ukrainian language at the University of Texas right now. I live in the city of Austin, and besides teaching Ukrainian language courses for the first and second year students, I have here office hours. I organize Ukrainian speaking club every Thursday, and I have also to create learning material, so it takes lots of time. And besides that, I have my online language school Speak Ukrainian, and I'm the head of it, and my charity project Buy a T-shirt Save Ukrainian Life. So I feel pretty overwhelmed, but I love my YouTube channel, so always try to find time for it. Так, so let's learn some new vocabulary. The word car in the Ukrainian language means автомобіль, автомобіль, or you can just say авто, так, the shortened version of this word, авто. And also it is possible to say машина, машина, автомобіль, авто, or машина. Bus means автобус, автобус, train, поїзд, поїзд, or потяг. Потяг. Yes, we have two words that mean train in the Ukrainian language, and it doesn't matter, you can just use any of it. By the way, if you want to learn more vocabulary about Укрзалізниця, Ukrainian railway service, so you can check out my previous video lesson. Plane. Літак, літак. Bicycle. Велосипед, велосипед. Taxi. Таксі, таксі. Tram. Трамвай, трамвай. Subway, metro is metro, metro. Guys, I just want to teach you one small thing here, that we have an exception here with the words metro and taxi. These two words, we don't decline them. In the table, in the grammar table, they have the same form for all the cases, yeah? So you can check out the tables here, just memorize it. We don't decline these words, and also such words as пальто, метро, таксі, так? So these words are, they are an exception. Boat, човен, човен, ship, корабель, корабель. Motorcycle, мотоцикл, мотоцикл. Truck, вантажівка, вантажівка. Scooter, самокат, самокат. Road, дорога, дорога. Traffic, рух, рух. Station, станція, станція. Ticket, квиток, not квітка. Many of my students misunderstood these two words, and they can mix them up. Квітка, квиток, квиток, квітка. But please remember, ticket is квиток. Airport, аеропорт, аеропорт. I think this transfer vocabulary is easy because most of these words, they are borrowed from English or other foreign languages. Yeah, so let's repeat them one more time. Let's read together. I read and you repeat after me. Okay? Автомобіль, авто or машина. Автобус, поїзд, потяг, літак, велосипед, таксі, трамвай, метро, човен, корабель, мотоцикл, вантажівка, самокат, дорога, рух, станція, квиток, аеропорт. If I forgot to say some other transport vocabulary, please feel free to write them in the comments below, or if you don't know how to say, I don't know, skateboard or something else, also feel free to ask me in the comments below. I will check it out. And the most important, guys, is just to understand how to use this transport vocabulary in the context correctly and what constructions we actually use. And of course, we have here cases, my favorite topic. So, if you want to say to go by transport or a vehicle, yeah, we use the verb їхати. Because in the Ukrainian language, we have two verbs when you say to go on foot or to go by transport. So, їхати, to go by transport. And after it, we use the instrumental case. Наприклад, їхати автобусом, or їхати трамваєм, їхати автомобілем, and so on. So, many Ukrainian linguists, they say, this is the right way to say that, to use just the instrumental case. But, guys, I have to tell you that we have also another way how to say that. Use this verb їхати plus preposition на plus the locative case. And this variant is also correct. You can use it. So how does it sound? Їхати на автобусі, їхати на метро. You remember that we don't decline this word. Or їхати на таксі, and so on. Another very useful verb is кататися. Кататися, it means to ride. Кататися, we use the preposition на plus locative case. Кататися на велосипеді, to ride a bicycle. Кататися на самокаті, to ride a scooter, і так далі, and so on. Also, it is useful to know the verb пливти, that means to sail or to swim, так? And also you can use either instrumental case after it or the preposition на plus the locative case. Пливти кораблем or пливти човном, instrumental case, or пливти на човні, на кораблі. And the last verb that I would like to teach you is літати, to fly. Again, the same rule. You use either instrumental case or preposition на with the locative case. Літати літаком or літати на літаку. So guys, if you feel, okay, it's not enough for me, I would like to learn more, I still don't feel fluent in the Ukrainian language. Guys, I would like to check out my online language school Speak Ukrainian at speaky.com, and there you can find a trial lesson just for $1, very useful learning materials, textbooks, flashcards, online courses. You're welcome, please check it out. Thank you so much for supporting Ukraine, for standing for Ukraine for the third year of this crazy war. You can support it with the help of my charity project Buy T-shirts Save Ukrainian Life. Thank you so much to my all supporters, to my patrons. Дуже-дуже дякую. Thank you so much. Ваша вчителька Інна, your teacher Інна, and па-па, bye-bye.